Hey, well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. This is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, coming back again as always to you live and direct. I hope all is well with you. Hope you're having a good day. I am doing good. I have so many things on my plate. Number one, to get the dishes done, but I don't want to get the dish. No, I shouldn't say that. I don't. It's not that I don't want to get the dishes done, but I'm so hungry. But I don't feel like any food right now. So normally I would have like a fruit smoothie or something like that. So I'm getting ready to make me a little smoothie. As you see, I have some bananas here. They're frozen, some bananas, and I'm just gonna make this. This is so delicious. I don't know if I've shared this before, although this recipe varies, because of the nature of ingredients or taste and things like that. But I love this. It's like because sometimes I do because one of my favorite frozen ice cream dishes is banana split. So I love banana splits and turtles and stuff like that. So ice cream, things like that. But so what I do is make this wonderful little you know what I normally put in? Okay, I remember now. I knew something was missing. I was thinking like, oh, it's something that's missing from here. Oh, give me a minute. Looks like somebody robbed me, but okay, here it is. I was going to say, because we all have our own peanut butters, I was going to say, look like somebody robbed me of my peanut butter, because I love this one right here. And I love chunky peanut butter. But I love this little smoothie because it is so delicious. It's not like you're eating anything like a smoothie, although it's probably not even a smoothie. It's probably just a shake that has a banana in it. You be the judge and determine that. So what I normally do is with this particular smoothie is add like a cream or a milk. Now I'm not going to use a lot of this. I know there's a lot of heavy whipping cream, or I'll use a little vanilla coffee cream in it, a coffee creamer, or I'll have a little bit of both. It depends on the flavors of them. I'm going to be using cocoa nibs, and cocoa nibs are similar to having like a chocolate chip, but it's, supposedly has more, components, healthier components, and I didn't want to use the word healthier, but you understand what I mean. It has different components in it for your health. Let me just put it that way. I normally use like a little vanilla extract. This is a imitation at this point. Then sometimes I can use like put a little bit of maybe some kind of cocoa or something like that. And normally this is what I use. I'll use cacao powder. That's really what I use. But I bought, and it is so good, but it's too decadent. It's so rich. It is really, really rich. You have to dilute this. This one packet could really, how many, this is well, it doesn't say, but this little tiny packet, 4 people could be able to eat off of it, because it's so rich, and you really have to dilute this or whatever. So and then of course I normally put peanut butter in it, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do right now, because I did take out my spices as well. Like you can throw a little nutmeg in there. You could put a little 5 spice. I love the taste of 5 spice, or pumpkin pie, and I know I'm going to put this in here, this pumpkin pie spice, because I smelled it. I said, which one am I going to use? And this smells so good. I'm going to use the pumpkin pie spice for sure. So I'm going to be making this smoothie with a little peanut butter, just a little bit, with the pumpkin pie spice, with the extract, vanilla extract, and with a little bit of this. And of course I'm just going to use a little bit of this, or I'll use a little milk, but I'll probably just use a little bit of this and add a little water as well. So that is what I'm going to be doing. But what I came on to share was, a lot of people are, and I just cleaned out my refrigerator just recently. Let me come over. I cleaned our refrigerator out too just recently, the refrigerator and the freezer, and I didn't and I'm not showing you anything because it's not like organized or anything, but it's clean. And what I wanted to say was we don't use like a bunch of containers and all of that kind of stuff to clean anything out. I don't need all of that kind of stuff. Everything is already contained as far as I'm concerned. This is something I'm waiting to preserve, so it's just in here and whatnot. But what I wanted to say was, when we are cleaning our things, it would be good to also, you have to be reminded to clean out your gaskets. Those gaskets get very, very dirty. Number one. Number two, your ice machine and your water dispenser must be cleaned out. You have to probably open it. Sometimes they are I didn't want to open this but I'm gonna open it. So inside you have to take, because it depends on what your mechanism. Mine is, this is an older fridge, but it depends on how your mechanism is made, your things are made. But yeah, you have to take this completely and totally out, so that you can clean it well. Take that out, throw away that old ice, clean this mechanism, and you have to be careful, especially if you have the chop ice mechanism on there. You don't want to catch yourself. But yeah, all of this has to be cleaned out. And then when you remove this, you should be able to clean down really, really good into your ice dispenser and your water dispenser, because that place gets very, very mucky and dirty. Hold on. Yeah, so that is what I wanted to share, really. So so I'm getting ready to take care of this because I have dishes to do, I have some planning to do, I have so many things on my plate that I need to do, but you know how it is. I'm not motivated to do them. I know they need to be done because there's so many things I gotta do in order to get to the point, the other things that I need to do. So there's, the process, and I need to get to it. So yeah, I just want to share that, and let me know what your favorite smoothies are, or your favorite ice cream, dessert, or whatever. And if you are intolerant to dairy, tell me what you use in place of your dairy products as well. Or if you have, a diet where you don't eat dairy or whatever, for whatever reasons, tell me what you like to use. I used to use rice milk in those boxes. I love that rice milk. I haven't had that in a while. I don't know why I haven't. I used to get it from Whole Foods, and somebody else had it, but I haven't really been drinking it. I don't know why, but I probably should get back on that. But I just been drinking like powdered milk or something like that, like that really full fat cream and whatnot. But anyway, let me get out of here because I gotta put this in my stomach, because like I said, I'm hungry, and this is going to suffice for food until I get ready to eat something. I also had some walnuts, but I know what I'm already gonna put in here. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that tip motivated you to clean your refrigerator out, to organize your refrigerator, and to be careful how you clean, and to be very, very thorough, when you are cleaning, and get those spots that really matter. All right, this is Saida, the Domestic Handmaiden of Distinction Lifestyle, signing out for now. Love you. Bye-bye. Okay, so it's done, and it is delicious. I did put enough on inside. I thought I did, but I don't really taste it coming through right now. But I do taste everything else, and it's really, really good, and it's really going to help me to get everything I need to get accomplished. It's nice and creamy and thick and whatnot. I love it, love it, love it. Let me see. And it's so thick you would think that you're at Wendy's with a Frosty or something, but it's really, really good. I'm very, very happy, and now I can get on to the business and order of the day. So I just used the pumpkin pie spice, as I said. I used the heavy whipping cream. I did use creamer as well. I used like 2 tablespoons of the peanut butter, a little shot of the vanilla extract, and I did use that caramel macchiato, and probably a half of cup of water as well. And it is so good. I'm so happy. So yep, so I'm getting ready to get my dishes clean. I guess people around here are talking about food, so I'm gonna just throw on some hamburgers, french fries, and some tater tot like things. If you want to see that video, let me know. This is Saida, the domestic handmaid and a distinction, signing out for real now. Bye bye. Well, who knows? This is a never ending story. It's my lifestyle, so let me not say signing out for now for real.